Hello ho ho, welcome back to Python, welcome back to Matplotlib, and welcome back while we are trying to animate our plots, scatters and everything else we created in our previous videos. So yeah, now we are looking at how to animate the scatter function, or while animate the scattering process, however you wanna call it. And yeah, we have our code from our previous video here, and so what we're gonna do is we wanna scatter. So let's just use pyplot.scatter, one y and one y axis. Let's run. And yeah, this was old code. I just tested something. We are at squabby wabby. So let's run subby wabby. Yeah, one dot because we scattered something. This was just as a quick reminder how to scatter. And now let's scatter some for e in range 10. Let's do 100. Pyplot, no. Let's just scatter some stuff. This is all as a reminder, so random point went int, let's say 1 to 100. Again. Let's now run it again. Now we have 100 little dots. And yeah, cool thing, because we don't scatter an array, but entirely different dots. Each dot will have its own color. Of course, we can set the color to a certain value, but in this case, it looks like little dots. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Because again, we need pyplot.parse and do it again like this. And yeah, now he will scatter something, or scatter our dots. And yeah, depending on our highest and lowest value of each dot, he will kind of alter the coordinates, but yeah, it shouldn't get higher as 100 on the y and x axis. And he's already finished, I guess. So let's do it in an endless loop. Let's do a while true loop. While true, oh, no. Pretty late, to be honest. Just recording at 11 p.m. or 11:30 p.m. and I have to get up tomorrow in about 7 hours. But yeah, here this goes at an endless loop. It's pretty much the same as last time when we had to animate our wireframe. Now we can remove those brackets, I mean. Yeah, this goes endlessly. Guess if let me see something. Yeah, when I kind of close the frame, it won't get any further, or it will kind of save what the current state, and will add every dot. I reopened it, yeah. But here you can see it goes endlessly. Yes. So now let's do something more interesting. Let's import datetime, and yeah. Let's do something like this. And now we have seconds. So let's do a second. I just created second equals datetime point time point second. So it should give me the second, the moment. Oh, let's test it because it's long ago since I did something like this. So let's just print it. Okay, 1 second. Why I have to restart it. So yeah, okay. I don't know. Can you see it on the? No, you won't see it because I minimized it. Here you can now see it. I will just get the object. So yeah, that's not what was intended. 1 second, I will pause the video until I solve the issue. Okay, I solved it. Totally simple, but yeah, I simply forgot it. You don't say import datetime, or you don't write import datetime. You write kind of from what kind of, you totally 100% should do it like this. From datetime, import datetime. Date time, yeah. Okay, and yeah, now we can write second equals datetime point now point second. So, and now what we're gonna do, we wanna say, yeah, a equals second, b equals second plus random point randint. Let's say 0 and 10. And now let's see what will happen. Yeah, as you can see, he is kind of moving to the right. Yeah, for each second that passes. You have to, yeah, calculate minus 10 because now we should between second 30 and 20. Because, yeah, he's placing the dots between 30 and 40. Yeah, let's do it a little bit quicker. Stop. And yeah, let's say, let's do it quicker, and let's say 1 second. Let's do it like this, first second. So our x-axis is second, and yeah, let's say random point went in between 0 and 100. Yeah, as you can see, now he is placing the dots in a more, how do we want to call it, more linear way. Yeah, let's say it's a more linear way, more sorted way. Okay, now he started from 0. And he's moving in the middle because the second we started was about 42. It was 42. Perfect. Okay, let's do it even quicker than that. To pause it, minimize. Okay. And let's do between 10. Okay, he isn't, he can't, I guess, calculate it. But yeah, that's it. If we want more dots per y-axis, we can simply do something like this. Yeah, now he will stay a little bit longer. Should be about 2 seconds. If I'm not stupid, maybe I am. Yes. Okay. I just wanted to search for my script for the 3D one, but yeah, we are a little bit over time. If I would do the 3D one, we would get the video would get a little bit long. So yeah, let's stick to this one. I guess it was interesting enough. So yeah, be creative. Maybe you can use an API or you can animate stuff based on your own creativity. And yeah, apart from that, I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, nighttime, whatever time it is in your country. And I hope the recording wasn't too quiet. See you in the next video. Please leave a comment regarding any critique, anything I can improve. And yeah, is there anything left I could tell you? Not really. So yeah, see you, bye bye and goodbye. Hello ho ho! Yeah, welcome back to Python and welcome back to Matplotlib and yeah, no.